I was actually forced to say, "What?" Unfazed, I calmly said, "Next!" That's that, but this unique individual was not to be denied, no. Maybe he's trying to tell me something. So I said, "Car?" Oh, and the unique young man nodded violently and then added, and interwove his fingers before my eyes. And I said, "Oh, your name, I understand, Car Baby." No, not Car Baby. Oh, Car Whining. No, not Car Son. Oh, well, I said this unique individual replied affirmatively with the sound of... And then I said, "I'm not going to ask your first name." But... Oh, look at he's pantomiming something. You're filling something. Filling. Mr. Ing Carson. No. Phil Carson. Phil Carson. Oh, I got it. All right. And you want to join. What do you want to join, Phil? Oh. I'm sorry. The Army Air Force recruiter is in St. Paul. Yeah, but, you know, I could put you into something special. Doors. No, not a submarine. No. What? No, not a tank. But I can get you into the 99th Infantry. Yeah. Yeah, they're mostly Norwegians. They won't understand you at all.